Hello, this is the installation video for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher bracket into a Mitsubishi Pajero NX. The fire extinguisher comes with these two stainless steel nuts and bolts, and this is the fire extinguisher that we sell on our website at Kap Industries. The tools you'll need is a 14mm socket, an extension and a ratchet. You'll also need a couple of 8mm spanners to use those M5 nuts and bolts to tighten the extinguisher cage to the bracket. The procedure is really easy. You firstly slip off these little plastic seat bolt covers. They just pop off with your hands on both sides. Then with your 14mm socket, just remove the two nuts that hold the seat down. Once you've removed those two nuts, you can then slip the extinguisher bracket into place and test fit where you would like the extinguisher cage to sit so that it doesn't interfere with the movement of the seat. At this point, then install the extinguisher cage to the Kap Industries fire extinguisher bracket and bolt it up with the M5 nuts and bolts. Then slip the whole assembly into the seat point and do the nuts up. Once they're all tightened up, reinstall these little plastic seat covers. You have to press down firmly until you hear a little click. You don't have to do any modification to it, they just slip back in. Then install the extinguisher into the extinguisher cage and clip it up. You're all done. Now, let's have a look at the seat movement. As you can see here, no seat movement is lost. The seat can go over the top of the extinguisher, no problems. What a safe and secure way to install a fire extinguisher into your vehicle. And they look great. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the product from Kap Industries.